Thank you, Honourable Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Jarvis over there for the question. And Honourable Speaker, the Youth Entrepreneurship Scheme program is commonly known as the YES program. And I have to admit, it was a construct of the previous government, which we have continued to support for some very good reasons. Firstly, it invests in our youth who have unique business ideas or innovative ideas, and the vision of which is to promote the entrepreneurial spirit in our young Fijians to become job creators rather than job seekers. Honourable Speaker, since inception, the YES program has invested in about 18 recipients with a total investment of about $441,000 across a wide range of sectors, from health and human services, agriculture, traffic management, recreational services and information technology, just to name a few. Each of these recipients offer a unique and innovative business idea that aims to improve upon the current service or product currently being offered in the market, or offering something totally new to the people of Fiji. The YES program offers up to a grant of about $30,000 for the purchase of capital expenditure items, and the eligibility is for entrepreneurs or young men and women between the age of 18 and 40, and of course has to be a Fiji citizen. Honourable Speaker, the program has some very interesting facts. The success rate of this program is around 73%. On average, a YES recipient creates about 3 jobs. On average, a YES recipient has a total turnover of close to $50,000, and in the year 2022-2023, the MSME Monitoring and Evaluation Team reported that 4 recipients were extremely active and performing at an excellent level. Of course, Honourable Speaker, the recipients are also contributing to the Sustainable Development Goals by fostering innovative business practices that promote economic growth, social inclusion, and environmental sustainability. Not only commercial viability, Honourable Speaker, but also they create a positive impact, aligning with SDGs such as SDG 8, decent work and economic growth, SDG 9, industry and innovation and infrastructure, and SDG 10, reduced inequalities. Existing YES recipients go above and beyond to further their education and enrich their knowledge, achieving personal growth and contributing to society. Some of them end up being part of the Fiji Enterprise Engine cohorts, which is a very popular accelerator incubator program run through FCEF, Honourable Speaker. In fact, there have been a few very prominent winners of YES. I mentioned Christopher Wanole, who was named one of the top 100 climate tech startups out of 10,000 businesses assessed across the Indo-Pacific region. Some of the other recipients that were supported this year included Rasalato Yane Anurua of Ashby Enterprises, who has transformed his business from exporting raw lumber to producing guitar billets and semi-finished guitar parts from mahogany. The young entrepreneur is now targeting high-end international markets, particularly in the US, Canada, showcasing his innovation and his determination in the new markets. There is Munesh Prasad of Cocoa Chips, who is planning to launch a premium packet coconuts by preparing and peeling coconuts into diamond-shaped pieces, having the top of the coconut flattened, and adding a coconut opener that is sold in some of the major supermarkets and resorts. The business also plans to diversify their product to manufacture chip blocks made from coconut husks. Honorable Speaker, this demonstrates the type of innovation that exists in our country, and the Ministry plans to continue to encourage this culture of entrepreneurship and developing future entrepreneurs or aspiring entrepreneurs in the years to come. Honorable Speaker, I thought I'd just mention, and I have mentioned a few times in the East August Chamber, that this side of the House is trying to develop a comprehensive MSME ecosystem that ensures that we continue to support entrepreneurs in their journey. As such, I just thought I'd mention that there is about 300,000 sitting within TELS, which is considered a graduate incubator startup program in terms of a grant that will be used to actually assist our young entrepreneurs, which is exciting, and it is focused on particularly student graduates. On top of that, Honorable Speaker, to support our young entrepreneurs, the Ministry has established an MSME information hub at the Suva Flea Market, which offers assistance to MSMEs and has attracted many young people seeking information about the YES program. Funding permitting, Honorable Speaker, we hope to extend this out to other central locations across the country. I thank you for the question, Honorable Speaker.